Cooking a protein-loaded meal for breakfast is very crucial for you because you're going to be busy all through the day, so you need some energy. Fried eggs are a simple way to whip up a very fast breakfast option for you. That is cracking some eggs, adding into your pan with cooking oil, and adding in salt or black pepper to the fried eggs. But have you tried out making some fried eggs my way? Just look at my plate. This is absolutely gorgeous. We have crispiness, the eggs are perfectly salted, and we have a side of veggies, which means that your breakfast is going to be very nutritious. This is a recipe for around 2 people, and of course you can double or even triple the ingredients to make some more fried eggs. You need 4 key ingredients, that is your eggs, black pepper, salt, and cooking oil. And of course you need a pot for boiling your eggs. I've already placed mine over medium flame and my water is already boiling. So carefully I'm going to drop in my eggs into the boiling water. You have to carefully lower down the eggs so that they don't break. For the recipe, you need hard-boiled eggs, which is going to take around 10 minutes to cook. So just keep on watch so that you don't overcook your eggs. When it comes to cheap protein ideas, eggs are the perfect option because an egg goes for around 12 to 15 Kenya shillings, which is budget friendly. That being said, you can't miss having some eggs in the house because there are so many dishes that you can whip up using a simple egg. And also I love it when I have some eggs in the house because they're super versatile. You can make some egg curry, fried eggs, boiled eggs, some Cajun eggs, which I made earlier on, and it was just fantastic. So with all these dishes, that means that eggs are a superfood that you can't miss in your kitchen. When your eggs are ready, you're going to scoop out and transfer to a bowl with cold water. Immediately you place the eggs in the cold water, the eggs are going to start cooling down and the membrane is going to separate from the shell. So it's going to be very easy for you to peel. So you're going to cool for around 1 to 2 minutes. If you have some more ice cubes, just add in the water and it's going to take around 1 minute. Or if you have some patience, just wait for the eggs to cool down. Once your eggs have cooled down, it's time to peel. So you're going to bash on your countertop, or you can just use a spoon and knock the shell. Then you're going to peel your eggs. You'll notice after placing the eggs in cold water, it's so much easier to peel. So this is going to take around 1 minute. Once you're done peeling your eggs, you're going to cut your eggs in half, just like this. Then I'm going to grab a pan. Let me grab a bigger one. Then I'm going to be placing over medium-low flame. Add in around 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and immediately you add in the oil in the hot pan. The oil is going to heat up. So next you're going to add in a little bit of salt, shake a little bit. Then you're going to place your eggs upside down in the pan just like that. If you notice that your flames are too hot, just reduce to low and fry your eggs until they get a perfect golden brown color. The little bit of salt that we added is going to season the eggs as they fry. Shake your pan a little bit to make sure the eggs are not sticking. After around 30 seconds, you're going to check if your eggs are perfectly browning. Once you notice they're perfect, you're going to use your spatula and flip so that the eggs can cook on the other side. Just look at that. Keep on shaking your pan to make sure nothing is sticking. After around 20 seconds, you're going to transfer your eggs into a plate lined with kitchen paper towel to drain off the excess oil. Then I'm going to be adding in the remaining eggs for that color and crispiness. And also my second round is done cooking. I have some cucumbers and tomatoes, which I'm going to be plating up with my fried eggs to add in that fiber, nutrients, lots of vitamins into the dish. So I'm going to pick a plate. Then I'm going to be plating up my gorgeous fried eggs. They've cooled down a little bit. And lastly, I'm going to sprinkle in some black pepper. This is how my fried eggs have turned out. And as you can see, we have a perfectly golden brown color. The eggs are crispy. The little touch of black pepper adds in a very nice flavor to the eggs. Yum.